Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to cover messaging via the Apigee desktop site. So, as always, you'll log in with your Google single sign-on. And to access messages, you're going to go over here where it says Connect. From here, you'll be able to select messages. And then you can start a new message either by clicking here or here. Now, once you've selected a new message, you can choose the groups or group of people that you want to message. You can select active rosters. You can select individual student groups. You can select associated guardians or even staff. So let's say there is a group of students that I want to message. I will click that, select those students, add them, start typing the message. And then you can send it here, or by doing the drop down arrow, you can send to the group as a whole. Or if you want to message more like a blind carbon copy feature, you can click send separately. You can also add attachments if there's any photographs that you want to add or anything like that. You can copy somebody on the message or send an audio message directly as well. So once you send it, you'll need to name your group. Let's go 3 kiddos. And then it will send, and this will pop up in their app in the Rooms messages features. So that's a little bit about how to use messages. If you need any help with it whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me, or from the Thrillshare messages feature room, you can select this little chat smiley face. Thanks. Have a great day.